Hello, gorgeous. I did it. I bought another UCANBE mystery box. Here she is. So, if you want to see what was in this box, then please stay tuned. Hello, gorgeous. Thank you for hanging out with me. I've got the second of my UCANBE mystery boxes. I opened it because I was doing the video and my phone went off and I had to stop and restart. So anyway, this is the box, UCANBE mystery box. It's a makeup box on Amazon, and I've told you guys before that I really love the UCANBE makeup line. I haven't tried any of the stuff from the previous mystery box yet because I've been super busy. I had a lot going on. But yeah, I'm like so stoked. So let's dive in here. And we've got the box here. And looks different already, which is good. The first thing I'm noticing in here is a hand sanitizer. It's kind of odd to put in a mystery box, but I guess with everything going on, I mean, can't have too much hand sanitizer, right? The second thing I'm seeing here is a UCANBE Ultra Point Micro Eyebrow Pencil. And it looks like it comes with 3 refills. You guys, they're onto something, because I'm always forever complaining that these pencils run out so fast because they're so small. Well, this one comes with 3 refills. So you've got the main part here, and then you've got 3 refills to put in it. That's pretty awesome. I like that. Oh, and they're different colors. So you've got a black, you've got a brown, and a coffee cream. I don't know. So it's got 3 different colors in it too, maybe so you can find your perfect color. Next up, I'm seeing a little like makeup brush set. Yeah. So I didn't have that in my last one, so that's pretty cool. I can try out their makeup brushes. Then I have just a loose sponge in here. I don't know how I feel about that though. I'd rather it be in like some kind of packaging, but I've bought a lot of UCANBE stuff, so I'll trust this one. But for yeah, that's kind of weird that it comes out of a. I've got so much stuff. What's this? Oh, it looks like we have another glitter paste. Is it the same color? Ooh. I'm not going to open this, because if this is the same color of the one that I got, you know, in the previous box, I'm going to put this in a giveaway. If it's not though, I'll let you guys know. I don't know what I did with mine, and I don't think it's on the actual bottle. Put it in here. I did. Oh no, it's different. So this is 11 and this is 8. So I'll go ahead and open this one. Exciting. Where are my tweezers? There. I remember this didn't want to come out last time either. Oh, this one's pink. Ooh. Ooh, you guys, this one's pink. Pink is like one of my favorite colors right now. Purple's my all-time favorite color, but I've been wearing a lot of pink makeup. That's super cool. So I got a pink glitter this time. Okay, so this is a repeat. This is a Perfect Glide eyeliner gel, and I got it in soft brown again. So this is the same exact one that I got before. There's the color up top. So I'm gonna put this in a giveaway at some point. What's this? Pro Longwear Matte UCANBE. What's... I don't know what this is. Oh, it looks like it's a BB cream. Yeah, it looks like it's a BB cream. So, could be my skin tone. I can't read that tiny packaging, or that tiny color. So yeah, there's a BB cream. It looks like I got 2 of them though. Ooh, I got one that's really dark. Might be able to use it to contour or something. Use it as like a cream contour. Okay, what else do we have in here? What's this? This is Magic Eyeliner and Seal Eyeliner. What? Handayan? I don't know. Oh, I think this is one of those eyeliner glues for eyelashes. It has a, like right here, it has a thing where it's got like the cat eye thing on one side where you can do like a cat eye. I don't know. That's interesting. I'm definitely excited and down to try that out. So it's an eyeliner in black. What's this? Oh, so we have another repeat. This is the Never Changed UCANBE Makeup Finishing Spray in Matte. So this is going to go in a giveaway because I actually have it right here. Their spray. So this is going to go in a future giveaway. And I see another repeat. I'm going to grab mine here, just so I can show you the inside, because this one is sealed. So it's the Altered palette. It's completely sealed. So I'm going to leave it sealed and give it away. This is what it looks like on the inside though. It's really pretty. Really pretty palette. It looks like I have 2 more new palettes that I haven't gotten before. So we have the Valentine palette. It's got really pretty packaging. And this is the inside. Gorgeous. I love it. Super excited to try that one out. And then I have the Nirvana Rebirth UCANBE palette. So that's what it looks like on the outside. It's completely sealed. My tweezers do everything for me. This is a sleeve. Is it a sleeve or a box? Looks like a sleeve. It's not coming out. There we go. Ooh, this is pretty, you guys. Look at this. And then this ribbon down here is how you open it. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Yes. I am digging this. I'm really digging this palette, you guys. That is so pretty. And you just open it down here. Okay, UCANBE. I see you. I see you in your packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. I love packaging. Gorgeous. And that was my last item in the box. I didn't get as many items in this box, I don't think. But I don't think it was the same amount. I think it was a little less than the other one I paid for. So the boxes vary. That's good. I got 3 eyeshadow palettes, which pays for the box pretty much. 2 different BB creams. One of them is really, really dark, but I might be able to use it as a contour. I'll have to check it out and see. And then one that's right up my alley. And then a black eyeliner, makeup brushes, brow pencils, hand sanitizer, a spongy, which is very nice. It feels really nice. And another glitter, which I'm super, super stoked about. So yeah, that's still, you guys, is so worth it. I think I need to go on and get another one and see if I can get even more stuff, because I love UCANBE. I love their products. I love, well, the products that I've tried. I've tried the glitter, the eyeshadow palettes I've tried. I buy those all the time. I just bought one in my birthday haul video. So yeah, run out and grab one, you guys. This is so worth it. It is so worth the value of what you get in these boxes. It's crazy. Like, how can they afford to do that? I don't understand it. I don't know, and I don't care. Thank you, UCANBE. Love you. Don't ever change. Please do not ever change your formulas. Please. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day. And remember, keep sparkling.